told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Hi guys, I'm Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. So as we all know, Pride month is going on. So I was thinking about why not make a look out of it. So I was thinking and I came up with this idea of making makeup looks out of pride flags, different pride flags like bisexual, asexual, so many of them. And today I'm going to do a makeup look out of Aromantic flag. This is how it looks like. What's wrong with my focus?
One eternity later.
Yes, so this is Aromantic flag and I'm trying to do a makeup look out of this, based on this, and let's see how it goes. I haven't planned anything much, but let's see. Yeah, so let's get going. I have already prepped my skin. Now I'm going to do my base. I'm not going to do anything special with my base today, so let's get going. And I'm going to put it on my face. So now I'm going to blend my foundation. First I was thinking about blending it with my sponge but now I have changed my mind. I am going to blend it with my brush. Now I'm going to color correct a bit, and now I'm going to apply my concealer. Not much. Keep it like this for 20 to 30 seconds and then I will start blending it. Now let's blend this. I'm done with blending my concealer and now I'm going to dab my sponge over my whole face for the final finish. Now I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to take a cute little brush. I'm going to take some contour, warm it on my hand, and then I'm going to dab it. Now I'm done with my contouring and now I'm going to take my moist beauty blender again and I'm going to dab it a little. So now I'm going to do my eye makeup, and so I'm going to make a graphic liner kind of thing. I don't actually own any water activated eyeliner, whatever it is called. So what I do is I take my setting spray and I take my palette and just spray it on whichever shade I want to use, and I just use it for doing my eyeliner. That was a long gap, sorry. What I like to do is I take a really small, so I take a really thin small brush and I make a basic drawing with my concealer. So if you by any chance do something wrong, make sure you keep these earbuds, cotton earbuds. It makes your work so much easier. Like Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh yeah. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my other eye as well. So now what I like to do is I take my powder, compact powder, and I just dab it over my concealer to basically set it. Same thing with my other eye as well. The green color, and I'm going to apply it here. Oh my god. Look at this. I love it. I love this hack. Ooh. I will keep following my concealer. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my other eye as well. So I am done with both my eyes, and oh my god, I love it. So I'm going to take my kajal. I'm going to make a nice and bold under eye line. I'm going to do the same thing with my other eye. And I'll smudge it. And now I'm going to apply a brown shade lipstick. Now I'm going to change my outfit and I'll come back just in a minute.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
So I'm back again with my whole look and I love it. And I hope you guys like it, and if you did, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the like button and comment whatever you feel like, what you liked about this video and what you want to see next, which flag should I do next. Do comment that and share your views and share this video. I'll keep sharing such content, and if you want to see more content, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll provide my handle here, and yeah, stay tuned. Hope to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, bye. Oh my god, focus. Wait, focus. Not on me. What is it called? That I like that. I like you like that.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes